Have you ever been frustrated by watermarks on images or videos? Today, I'll show you how to easily remove any watermark from photos and videos without any complicated editing skills. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Step 2. Remove video watermarks. Now open Edimakor. On the right side of the launch panel, you will find the Remove Watermark feature, or you can locate it in the All Tools section. Click to enter. This tool supports removing watermarks from both photos and videos. First, let's try it with a video. Import your video file, up to 1 hour in length, maximum 10 files at a time. Important note: if the watermark appears in different positions throughout the video, you may need to process it separately. On the right panel, you will also find a Remove Subtitles option, which is useful for eliminating captions from movies or TV shows. There is also a quick blur feature that allows you to blur specific areas of the video. Finally, click Remove and wait a few moments. Your watermark-free video will be generated automatically. It's really that simple. Step 3. Remove photo watermarks. Next, upload the images you want to process. You can import up to 20 images at once. If the watermark positions are different, choose the Auto Remove mode, where the system will automatically detect and erase watermarks for you. For more precise control, you can use Manual Remove or the Quick Blur tool. Once everything is ready, click Remove. With just a few clicks, the watermark will disappear from your photos effortlessly. Give it a try. And that's it for today's tutorial. Go ahead and download Edimakor. Its watermark remover feature will completely transform your editing workflow and save you from watermark headaches once and for all.